Can I out pizza the Hut? So I bought a pizza from the Hut, and it was, I don't know, it wasn't expensive, $14 for a large pizza, and it was 3 topping, and I was so disappointed. When you get a pizza from a reputable pizza place, it should be good, and it was okay. So just kind of got me thinking, can I out pizza the Hut? Yeah, I sure can. Watch this.
Ooh, it's still hot. Look at that. Oh, that is satisfying.
Okay, guys, this is where it gets easy. You just need fresh ingredients out of your refrigerator. You can see what I used right here. Almost something that's in everybody's refrigerator. And you're going to need an oven at 400 degrees and a seasoned iron skillet. I say this in all my videos, make sure you grade your own cheese. I did not use homemade sauce, I used jarred sauce. But look how I put the cheese on. Put the cheese on like this. Put the cheddar on the outside and the white on the middle on top of your sauce. Be sure and sprinkle your sauce with Italian seasoning and put the cheese on the bottom. This is very important to use a good seasoned iron skillet and preheat your oven from 415 to 400 to 425. I went at 415, and make sure you push your dough out with your fingers and make sure that iron skillet is well greased. Now I mean well greased all the way up the sides. After 30 minutes, take this out and make no mistake, this is going to be very hot. You're going to get a really hot puff of air too when you open up that door, so be careful. This is where you want to check the crust. Just peek at it. If it's not done enough, put it back in for 3 or 4 more minutes, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be done.
Oh, yeah. That's how a 3-topping pizza should be. That's half is pepperoni and half is the sausage. Half pepperoni, half Italian sausage. It's got red peppers and onions, pepperoni, jalapenos, and onions. 3 kinds of cheeses. It's got sharp cheddar around the outside. On the inside, it's got Monterey Jack and mozzarella. So that's why it's yellow around the outside and more white in the middle. Let me put that in my mouth, and I'm going to tell you if it's better than the Hut. You know which one I'm talking about. The Hut. Used to be good, huh? So I thought, you know, all of them are different. No offense, Hut. Here we go. Let's try this one out. Ooh, it's still hot. Look at that.
Oh. Goodbye, Hut. That crust, that was homemade. Took me about 30 minutes to make it. Well, about an hour with the rise time, whatever. Oh my gosh, that's delicious. The sausage, the 2 kinds of cheeses, the peppers, the onions. I did a red sauce, marinara sauce, and then the crust is crunchy. I mean, look how that's holding up. That's how a pizza should hold up. If you saw the Hut that I bought, bloop, terrible. Oh, that is satisfying. Oh man, that's just what I had in my refrigerator. I had cheeses, sausage, peppers, onions, flour, yeast, water. That's all I needed. Oh, there is a caveat. A well-seasoned one of these is a must. This thing is still blazing hot. That's why I'm holding it like this. All right, here's a piece of the pepperoni side. See? It holds up. Oh. That is amazing. That's how a piece of shit. Whoa, that's hot. Those jalapenos I put on there. Woo! Oh, I know we can make this better. One thing can make this better. Honey. I got some honey too. That's it right there. Say goodbye to Hut. Say hello, delicious. Not even that cooked. All the way to the crust.
So this was a very, very simple thing to cook. I mean, a pizza. I've done a Big Mac. If you get disappointed, if you go spend your money on something and it's just okay, maybe that's okay. But it's really not. I mean, we spend our hard-earned money on stuff. It should be good. It should be, better than okay. But if it's not, you take it back, get your money back, or do something about it. Don't go back. Cook it yourself. And I've done it with several things. Like I said, I just did that pizza. Pizza Hut has had its day, and some are probably still great. And maybe if you go get it, if they have a walk-in and sit-down one, maybe they're still good or even better than good. But the one I use, that's just a carry-out. They don't have a sit-down in there. And even if I was only 4 minutes from home, when I get home and it's wilted and it's not hot, and I got it right when it came out, and they put it in a box. It tastes a little bit like cardboard. I'm not making all this up, but my pizza, I would make that pizza any day before I'd buy that pizza again. And go over to my channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes, and check out my Big Mac. Oh my gosh, if Big Mac sauce, I've got the secret recipe for the sauce, and then you just do your patties like I did, you're going to be amazed. I'm not saying Big Macs are the best thing in the world, but that's not one of the best places to eat. McDonald's and Burger King, those type places for our health, basically. Sometimes that make us happy, so we just stop and eat there anyway. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I am gonna see you guys next time. I would love to have you a subscriber, and go check out my channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes, and I'll see you on the next one.